So you have a date, a list of holidays, and you want to know the previous working day. Well, that's a piece of cake. So let's go and do it together. Let's get to work, and I want to get the previous day of this date. So I'm just gonna come here, equal workday, open parenthesis. You have a start date, it's here, comma, number of working days minus 1, because I want one working day prior. Now this approach will work for any number of working days. You want 3 days prior, you do minus 3, 3 days in the future plus 3, and then you have comma holidays. Now holidays are an optional parameter. If you don't need them, you just close parentheses like this, press enter, and you get Monday, October 30th, which is logical. If I add the holidays now, comma, let's select them, press enter, you get Friday, October 27. Why? Well, the 30th is a holiday, so that doesn't count. It will go backwards. Back you have Saturday, Sunday is the normal weekend, so again skipped, and this is why you get to Friday. Now you're gonna tell me, but my weekend is different, what do I do? Well, no problem, let's go back here, equal workday, international, open parenthesis. Start date is the same, comma, number of days minus 1, comma, the weekend is optional. Again, if you close parentheses, it will not take the weekend, it will assume that it's Saturday and Sunday by default. But in my case, let's assume it's Sunday only, so click on this, double click, comma, this is my holiday list. Close parenthesis, press enter. You get Saturday, October 28, because the 30th is a holiday, and we said the Sunday is a holiday, so it goes back to Saturday.